Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Instagram broadcast channel not showing. So first of all, launch Instagram application. Then from here tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner. From here go to the three lines icon at the top right corner again. Now once you come to settings and activity page, you'll come across various options. Now scroll down below and then go to the option of Account Type and Tools. From here, you have to go to Switch to Professional Account, as we need to switch to Professional Account to get a broadcast channel option. Let's tap on it. Now tap on Continue. Keep on tapping on Continue. Now over here, choose the category that best describes you. So I'm going to choose the option of Personal Blog, then tap on Done. Now tap on the option of OK. With that, your profile will be changed to public as well. Let's wait for some time. Now you'll come across two of these options. Choose any one of this. You can choose creator or business. I'm going to choose creator and then tap on next. Now you have to set up your professional account, but you can do this later. You have to follow all these instructions. So even after switching up your account type, you are not seeing the option. What you can do is just tap on the three lines option at the top right corner again. Now from the settings and activity page, scroll down below and tap on help. Now tap on report a problem. Now tap on report problem without shaking. Now over here you can include complete logs and diagnostics, or just tap on don't include and continue. Now describe your issue over here. After describing your issue, tap on send on top. With that, you will be able to send your feedback to Instagram and they will be responding to you within a few days if your problem has been fixed. Also, make sure that your Instagram application is updated to its latest version. So follow these easy steps and you'll be able to fix your issue. And that's it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.